Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and go to passwords and security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Let's start with password, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Now enter at least 4 characters. Now unlock the phone using the password. Next, let's select PIN, and enter 4 to 16 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots, confirm, and use it to unlock the phone. When it's done, we can go to fingerprint, and now unlock it, and simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now tap done and use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go back, go to face unlock, enter it, and now simply scan your face in this area to use your face to unlock the phone. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.